Welcome back to another Tech for Gamers tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Battlefield Redsec game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you have logged into your account, from the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. After this, you can type in Battlefield Redsec to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Now scroll down, and then you can click on the Add to Library or the Play button. Once you click on Play Now, you will need to choose your install location. So choose your location and then click on Install. After accepting the terms and conditions, this will begin the download and installation of the game within your device. Just wait until this process is completed, and once it is done, you can start enjoying the Battlefield Redsec game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Battlefield Redsec. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.